Hello guys. So today is actually the first class when we start learning about the Python, and today's session will be on basic mathematics operation with Python. So I will be using Linux, but you are using any of the operating systems like Mac or Windows. Don't worry about anything because all the things will remain same only. Uh, if you are using Ubuntu, then you don't have to install Python because it will be already installed in your computer. Just go to search and go to terminal. So I already have that here. If you write Python, it will come with Python 2.7.12, but we are going to use Python 3.5. So just Control D, you will get out clear Python 3. Okay, so you will see it's an interpreted language, so it will be like a calculator only. You write 2 plus 3, it will give you the answer 5. 5 plus 5 will give you answer 10. 2 minus 2, it will give you answer 0. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. It's if you are writing minus 2, it will take that number, integer number, as minus 2. You write 2.0, it will take it a float number 2.0. You don't have to specify its data type, it will automatically take whatever is the best, whatever it is. So these are the basic summing and minus or subtraction operations. So 2.2 asterisk mark will give you the multiplications, it will be answer 4. 2 divided by 2, it will give you answer 1.0. Now just look at this, you have done 2 by 2 and it has given you answer in float. So in division, it automatically converts your answer into floating point. In other than that, you see 5, 10, it's integer numbers, but when you do 2 plus 2.0, it's 2.0, still it will give you the answer 4.0. 2 into 2.0, it will give you answer 4.0. So in other operations, when you have any one of the number as a floating point, your final answer will also be converted into floating point, like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2.0 or 2.0, then it will be like 5.0. Okay, so anyone, and it will be converted into floating points. Now when you do 11 by 0, it will give you the answer, not answer but the error, zero division error. So here, this is the actual error name, zero division error, division by 0. So this is just giving you a brief understanding of what the error is about, and this is the error name. So we will not use it right now, but when you are working on bigger coding systems, bigger products, then you will see we will use this a lot. Because you will use them with try and except. When this error comes to this error comes to this, otherwise your whole code will be blocked. When an error comes, your the further code will not be executed. So that's why we will look into that. We will look into it at the later point of time. Don't worry about that right now. So now the next operation what we are going to see is exponential operations. Like when you want to do 2 to the power 5, that's multiplying 2 with 2 in 5 times. So the answer will be like 32. How you can do it right now? One thing you can do is 2 by 2.2.2, but the easier solution is 2 asterisk asterisk 5. So it will directly take 5 with the base 5 in the power with the base 2. So 2 to the power 5, 32, 10 into 10. Okay, so yes, same thing can go for like 0.5, it will give you answer 3. You can also write 1 by 2. Okay, other thing is quotient and remainder. You will use float division operator, which is nothing but 2 slashes to get the quotient of a mathematical operation. Let's see an example. 18 slash slash, that is 18, float division by let's say 4. The answer is 4. Okay, so the quotient is 4. 4 into 4, 16. You can't move ahead with that. Okay, so and another is remainder. So how to find remainder? You can use it with modulo function. Modulo is nothing but percentage sign. Percentage is normally called as modulo in any programming languages. So 18 modulo 4 will give you 2. So 2 is the remainder. 4 into 4 plus 2 is 18. So that's how it's done. The bracketing thing also works with this, like if you are doing 2.2 plus 2 and then you are multiplying it with 4, it will give you 16, but 2 plus 2 into 4, it will give you the answer 10, because you know the bracketing rule, the basic mathematical operation, it follows all the rule, so it's easy. So we will end this session here. In the next session we'll meet you again. Goodbye. Just control D and you will out of this. See you next time.